Okay, going over the new ramp onto 285 East, going south on 400. It is now officially opened, and this is very exciting. So we are going to do our first ride over, and this is going to ease congestion getting onto 285 West. So this is the new ramp, and this will definitely keep the traffic flowing. Many years in the making, and it's great that it's finally ready. Let's see how the ramp onto 285 is set up, and that was very nice experience going over the ramp, and it eases right onto 285. Great job, long overdue, and due to COVID they probably were able to get it done a lot quicker.